Hello. Yeah, I think I you have watched 2 years. Then you can come here so that you are able to get to know the what is actually how these vector come into picture and how we start about this. So the major thing we need to declare I stream and include vector. So we are using major vector. So we are including it for the purpose of using it. So we need to declare this. So it is every time we should not use std c out. So it is not required to use if you declare using namespace std. You can directly declare c out, c out like this. So what I'm saying is, yeah, this is the major declaration. Then uh, function is int main, so we are returning 0, or you can say here, you can use void also. Declaration of the vector. This is the declaration of the vector. Declaration of the vector. So vector, it is the declaration of the vector and the type, and it has a type integer. So here you can use character, float, double, etc. So you can use whatever the type. In this particular vector, we are using vector type. So how we insert the elements, how we push back the elements. So vector dot push back already we did. I told about this operation. It will insert the elements one after another. So before this, we do not have any elements. So now we are able to do this. We are inserting all the elements. Then we are counting the size. I have mentioned this in the previous video as well. So here int, I'm taking one value n. N is the value I have taken, and what I'm doing is vector dot size. I'm calculating how many elements present. We can see that two, four, six elements are there. It will give six or not. We'll compile it and we'll get to know that. So that what can we do? So it has to give six answer. So C++, G++, I have mentioned file.cpp. So I have file name that one vector.cpp. So I am executing it. So I have executed it very well. So here I am running dot a dot exe. So it will, you can make it that not a dot, then you can make it vector.cpp as well. Will discuss it. See the output of this particular insertion number of elements present is the 6. We expected that and it has given me the 6 elements. So after vector function, we'll discuss about how can we print the elements. So in this video only I will give you how we can print the elements as well. So here you can take it down. We know the size. So for loop, we can run the loop till I reaches to 6. That means I 0 to 5. Vector of position. You can say this as in normal arrays also. Arrays also will use index to print the elements, right? So here also we are using. So just compare it and we'll see the output. Maybe wait a second. It might not compare well. I'm checking it. Now it will give error. So why it has given error? This particular error is there. Colon. So here it has given that expected error expected. before return, that is, see, line 57, you can come to here and you can check it expected colon. So I have just now added this colon. So now execute that. Yeah, it's compiled well. Now execute output file. See, even we have this particular iterator also, so we can yeah, we'll keep it that. So 641, so we have inserted 641 352. It has given same. The number of elements present in the array is 6 and the arrays inserted elements are these. So we'll discuss remaining how can we print the elements using iterators and what is the size and what is the front element, what is the back element. So how can we get that back and front, what is the iterator function and how can we use that. We'll discuss in next video. Thank you guys.